Greeting to all sporty lovers and the dedicated pundits of the beautiful game. How are you? I hope you are all doing well and staying safe. I have a good news to share with you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. But before we dive into our details, I would like to take this chance to express my sincere gratitude for your unwavering support throughout my journey. Your cheers and encouragement mean the world to me. So, if you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get all news information, you can subscribe and smash the bell icon. Let's go to our story. Jose Rivero's future remains uncertain despite being offered a 3-year contract extension. The 49 years old has yet to commit, with a speculation growing. Orlando Pirates are preparing for all possible outcomes. Among the names being linked heavy to the club is the highly rated Benedict Vilakazi. Right now, Vilakazi is still proving himself as a coach. His journey has taken him to a prestige football development academy where he's helping to shape the future of South African football. With the partnership alongside German club Mainz, Vilakazi is playing a key role in developing young talent and paving way for their success. While his return to the Buccaneers as head coach may not be intimate, the possibility is one that excites fans. Will the club take a leap of faith and entrust him with the reins of Vilakazi? Coaching breakout comes elsewhere before the grand return. Only time will reveal the truth, but anything in football can happen, so we're supposed to wait until the end of 2024-2025. We'll know each and everything if Jose Rivero will agree to sign a new contract with the Buccaneers, or it will be the open door for South African coaches like Benedict Vilakazi to wear their unique black and white strips of the Buccaneers and help them to restore their dominance in South Africa Premier Division in terms of the Premier Soccer League title. But Jose Rivero himself has won multiple trophies, including MTN 8 as well as the Nedbank Cup, but big enough. Yesterday he succeeded to beat one team in the quarterfinal of the CAF Champions League.